got y'all, I got y'all, I got y'all.
When do I look at the camera?
Boom, 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 boom.
Hey Britt Brats, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Brittany, and if you didn't know, now you know. Today we are keeping up with the holiday hairdo vlogmas videos going on. Today I have a video that I partnered with Janet Collection using their Nala Tress Mystic Locks, and let me tell you honey, I'm feeling real mystical over here, okay, real Madame Cleo like. So if you want to see how easy it was to achieve this hairstyle and just how you can get a chance to wear these beautiful mystic locks, be sure to subscribe, stay tuned, and keep on watching. Hey guys, so this won't be a silent tutorial like it has been. I just went ahead and I'm showing you guys my braid pattern, which is pretty simple, you guys. I left space out in the back and in the front for the individuals, and in the middle and on the sides I just did regular schmegular degular cornrows. As you can see, they are big plaits, and here's the kind of final result of them. So sort of box braids in the front. One thing that I would recommend is if your hair is very heat trained like mine and very used to heat, I would definitely go ahead and do this in its natural state, only because throughout the week I did have some straight hairs coming through, but all in all the hairstyle did last pretty much a week, and you know, I got so many good compliments on it. Here I'm just going ahead and crocheting the ends of my hair into the braid, and yeah, that's how it looks. So guys, here is the very intricate detail on how exactly you crochet these beautiful mystic locks into your own individual hair. I'm just starting off by opening that top loop part of the crochet lock, opening that circle and crocheting it to the root of the braid. With this, I had less tension, so my hair definitely was not tight, and it also didn't pull. So I feel like that kind of classifies this style as more of like a protective hairstyle. As well as it definitely lasted, and with me not being able to do such clean parts, you know, it kind of helped a little bit. So once you are able to get that through, go ahead and pull the lock through all the way and just gently pull it all the way to the root of your hair. Now the beautiful part of these mystic locks is that if you've seen the previous clip, they are kind of like a braid pattern and also a faux lock pattern. So I used this to my advantage, and I just went ahead and started to crochet my braid into the braid pattern part of that lock. Now if you have extremely long hair, this may be a little bit more difficult to do, but if you have shorter hair or the same length hair as mine, I think it'll look just fine. It kind of gives it sort of the look of a passion twist. I'm gonna do this a couple of times just so you guys can see. I know my hands were in the way a little bit, but hopefully you get the idea of just exactly what I'm doing. I'm just going ahead and crocheting my hair into the lock just to get that in there, and so it just won't be sticking out randomly.
Girls with him told me he ain't got a preference. Got them both down and I asked a few questions. Met last week and they already best friends. Already best friends. Met last week and they already best friends. Met last week and they already best friends. She's a Georgia State freshman. Told her I'ma pull up at your place at 10. Girl, you look good, I would risk everything. Make me forget what safe sex is. I'ma finish right now if I don't take breaths in. I recommend you don't listen to your friend. It ain't been the same since they stepped in. 25 deep in the same section. I'm on fire, you off hand. Tell me this ain't something that you do often. Can't say the same, so use caution. Use caution. Just say, hit me with an F and two girls with him told me he ain't got a preference. Let him on down and I asked a few questions. That last week and they already best friends. Already best friends. last week and they already best friends. Met last week and they already best friends. Two at a time and in my bed. One at the top and the other give me head. Girl, oh girl, I love it. You can run around, I love it, yeah. If you need a break cause you're thirsty, don't trip cause I want to burn it up. She says she love me but she want her to fuck love and having a life. Baby, make a wishing, I'ma do what you want. Ain't no more intermission, I'm tryna see what you want. Girls with them told me you ain't got a preference. Let them both down and I ask a few questions. That last week and they already best friends. Already best friends. That last week and they already best friends. That last week and they already best friends. She brought a buddy in, what you studying? Education.
So from the last point of this video to up to this point, I want to say that it took me about an hour and 30 minutes just to get all of them done. I did count the braids in the front and I did about 15 braids across. In the back, I just paneled it off to 3 braids because I really only needed it for me putting my hair up for the gym. I wasn't really planning on wearing my hair up. If you guys would like to see a styling video on how I would style these locks in different ways, I would be so eager and so willing to do that. Just go ahead and leave a comment below and let me know if you would like to see something of that sort.
Met last week and they already best friends. Met last week and they already best friends.
Guys, that's it. I'm just finishing up with my favorite setting with spray, which is the Lotta Body in the green bottle. It's my favorite scent, and this part always feels super good, you guys. Do you see the excitement on my face? That's it for this tutorial, you guys. Just watch the finished product. That is the tutorial. I know I was looking rough, but your girl had to pounce back up real quick. It is literally like 2 in the morning and I just put on a quick beat for y'all just so you guys can get the effect of how cute this hair actually looks. I love it. It's not heavy at all. It doesn't smell, and honestly, just from running my fingers through it, it does not tangle like at all. It doesn't have that like synthetic feel like to it at all. Look, smell, none of that. You guys, this hair is A1 bomb. I definitely recommend. If you guys like this video,
video, go ahead and give it a thumbs up, share it with a friend, leave a comment, leave a like, do something with the video, y'all. And as always, you guys, thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye for now.